All right, look what just came in, baby. The turbo is here, boys. So we're gonna go test fit this thing to make sure it actually fits on the manifold this time. This is straight from Flying Miata, so it should, but just in case it doesn't, I'm gonna go test fit it. Look at this boy. Those of you that don't know, I actually got a cat. His name is Tickin, and I think he might be dead. Tickin, hello. Okay, all right, okay, there you go. Yep, good to see you too, buddy. He's like, don't touch me, dude. Look at this boy. Oh, look at this baby. But this is the OG here. What's up, my dog? High five, Miller. My dog, my boy. Hi. I don't know how it's still surviving, but it is. So you guys know I like to do it proper, right? So we know every time we get in the ST, you know, we clearly keep it clean. So I just want to keep the wheel clean, just extra clean. So I like to put on, this one's backwards. I can't breathe in my own car right now, it's so dry. So we got our driving gloves on. This one looks normal right here. Good thing it's my shifting hand. So yeah, we just like to keep it nice and clean in here. Nice and proper. Oh, got a shift. Thank you. Love driving in front of cops. So I hate driving in the back of police cars because I don't have a front plate right now. I took it off because I was detailing the car, and every time I get behind an officer, I'm just like, oh, please don't hurt me. Oh yeah, that's how we go down the curvy roads. That's perfect. Assume your positions. Yeah, usually when I clock into work, I usually clock in like this. I just spit again, and it's a problem that I have. Literally on the side of my face. Yeah, usually when people ask me like, hey Griff, like, you know, you're a pretty quick driver, how do you drive? Show them this video. Like a G. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, oh, looks like we have to downshift. There we go, that feels nice.
You got that turbo kit on you?
No, I'm actually, so I just got the turbo in the back. I bought a used turbo.
Yeah, yeah.
Didn't fit at all.
Oh, really?
So I had to send it back, and I got another one in the back from Flying Miata directly.
Oh, okay.
So hopefully it actually slides on. I'm about to go figure it out right now.
Are you ever gonna drop it on the street?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully you come through over here.
Oh dude, no, I will for sure. Dude, if you're around, I'd love to give you a ride in it. It'd be sick.
I'm so down.
Fuck yeah. Alright, I'll catch you later. How does it get better than that, dude? Just two car guys chopping it up, dude. I love chopping it up. God. Oh! The way you make me feel these days, coming on my body for your car, guys. Gotta hit him with it. Let's see if we can get a nice long chirp for you guys. Oh, give me tinglies. Damn it, I gotta turn around. All right, moment of truth. Oh man, this better freaking work. Also, I just want to quickly thank everyone that picked up a shirt or a jacket from the website. It means a ton to me. We actually ended up doing pretty well with them, which is really cool. So you guys clearly liked them, and I'm pretty proud of that because I worked really hard on this design. I didn't obviously like draw this myself, but I had like a big say in like the design process. Obviously, I came up with the like, you know, sketches and stuff, and had a professional designer actually make this because that's pretty dang detailed. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys. It's crazy. I can't believe that it actually, you know, anyone actually bought it. So thank you guys. For real, it's like insane. All right, let's get started. All right, first thing we're grabbing, manifold. This is how we're gonna test to see if this thing fits. I hope it does. I don't see why it wouldn't. This is directly from Flying Miata. It's a 2560R. It comes with a kit. There's no reason it wouldn't fit, but with my luck, I wouldn't be surprised. This is also my first time ever ordering anything like pretty much new for car parts. This is gonna be my first time seeing like a new turbo in my entire life, essentially. Okay. Oh, dude, packing peanut? Why do people do packing peanuts? What is this? Fuck it, it's too late. So I also ordered a wastegate for it because it doesn't come like on the turbo, I guess. I don't know what PSI the wastegate is set to. I think it's 8, which is a safe boost level for Miatas. That's totally fine, so it should be good there. Ooh, this looks cooler than the last one. Yeah, packing peanuts, I know, I know. I already went over it, Damn, boy. Wow. Why does this look bigger?
I think it's bigger.
What the? Oh my gosh. Hardware for the turbo, which now we have 2 of these, but that's okay. All right. Oh yeah, baby, looking big. That, my friends, oh, that is a brand new turbo. This turbo is like clocked completely differently. The other one was like down. This one's like correctly clocked. Ah,
Dude,
yeah.
look at that.
That is how it's supposed to be, my boys. Oh my gosh, look at that assembly.
It's almost like it came from the same manufacturer.
Oh my gosh. All right, so it works. So that was our biggest issue. And now I'm gonna start installing the kit today. No, I'm kidding, I'm not. That lays flat. That was the issue on the last one. The turbo wasn't clocked correctly, but dude, look at that setup. Dude, that looks fucking menacing, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so we're gonna try and figure out how this wastegate goes on because it's a little confusing. We got Zach, who has his degree in computer science at Harvard University, that is gonna be putting this together for us. Super qualified dude over here.
Big Lego set.
Big Lego guy.
I don't know, just why don't you bring a string in the car and just do it manually?
Yeah, I could do that. Make some power. So if I didn't tell you, Zach is an MIT student, and he just figured out the wastegate thing. We were putting it up here for whatever reason. There was another kit that I saw that had it way up here, but apparently it's supposed to sit up, I mean, it makes sense, but it's supposed to sit on the side like this. This bracket right here is separate from everything, so he's holding that in place, and then the wastegate front connects right here, and then this obviously slides onto that thing. So I think that's how the wastegate's gonna go. All right, so we got the turbo figured out, I'm pretty sure. We've still got some stuff to work out. I'm really worried about putting this whole thing in, you know, kind of ish by myself. There's so much, it's not the fact that like the kit is big, it's the bolts. Like there's so many freaking fittings and bolts that I just have no clue what they do, like literally 0%. And when I start installing this thing, I need to get it done within the same weekend that I started in. So it's like, I'm trying to put everything together the best that I can without actually having it in the engine. It's just tough, dude. It's gonna be a really tough one. It's gonna be a really tough one, dude. All right, next day, baby, it's raining. I love the rain, dude. I just like sweater weather. I'm a sweater weather kind of guy. No, but I really do actually like when it rains. It's like one of my favorite types of days. We are going to film, you guys, I mean, I don't know how many of you guys actually follow my Instagram still, but Griffin Blanchard YT, if you're not following it, we're going to film some reels today at my girlfriend's dad's place. I just got the turbo for the Miata like you guys just saw in this video, and I'm gonna go make something funny with it. So we're going there. In the rain, so I have a Xena RT660s, which is like a 200 treadwear, you know, track tire kind of. It does amazing in the rain. Like I have had no issues with this in the rain. Like this guy in front of me obviously isn't going super fast, but we're moving at a decent pace and there is just not a single bit of like slippage, which I find to be really weird because every other like tire that I've had like this, in the rain, it's just consistently slipping. And now hydroplaning is a different thing for these tires. They hydroplane like crazy if you hit a bunch of water, but that's okay. They're not, you know, an all-season tire. But in terms of grip around like curvy roads when it's raining, honestly surprised, like really good. Here's the Miata again, sitting in the rain as a good girl that she is. So last time I started this thing, it had like an insane misfire, which it's had a misfire for a while anyways. But this time when I started it, it was like an immediate misfire. Before, it would misfire when it gets hot and then it would start to misfire, right? It would be fine when it was cold, not this time. So let's see if it's still doing it. I didn't get it on camera last time. Let's just check this out and see if it's gonna act like an absolute fool or not. All right, are we gonna misfire today? Nope, we're good. Dude, I cannot freaking wait for this thing to be boosted, dude. Oh my gosh. I'm really hoping that it's the cat that's the problem. Look at that, got the check engine light right there. Damn, boy. Because if the cat's the problem, I've got a new cat with this kit, and that would be amazing. But if it's not the cat, then this kit is not gonna run very well. So as you guys know, Throttle's been a huge supporter of the channel for a long time now, and they're building one of my favorite cars ever. You may not know this, but your boy's kind of an Audi guy, just a little bit. I've had an Audi S4, and it was sick, and I miss it. They're building a 2018 Audi S4 right now, and they're giving it away to one of you guys, plus $20,000 in cash. Every $1 you spend on Throttle's website is one entry to win this 2018 S4, and if you want some help, use my code GriffinB. It'll get you up to 50% off all parts and items on the Throttle store. I wish you guys luck. That was pretty good, huh? Yeah, I've been practicing my ads. Don't worry about it. Emily, I know you saw that. I hope it was good. Emily is my rep from Throttle and she's amazing. So I'm not actually sure if we ever went over what's in this kit. I just kind of showed it to you briefly. I want to go over it really quick. I'm going to do the best I can with what knowledge I have of what everything is. There's a few things I definitely have no clue what they are, but let's go over it. So first we have the exhaust, which is, this is the cat that's going to replace my current cat and hopefully fix that misfire. It's got all the O2 sensor, you know, bungs in it, so we should be good. We've got this blow off valve. I'm not sure what type it is, but it's definitely a Turbo Smart, and I love this brand. Here we've got all the intake piping and the intake itself, which I'm excited. I like the way this looks. So here's what I'm really screwed with, is all these like random miscellaneous nuts and bolts and these little things, and I have more over there sitting down there. I've got literally no, I mean, it says what they do, like I understand that, but understand I've never put in a turbo kit in my life. So it means nothing to me. I'm blank. This is a plug and play ECU. It's a Speedy EFI, so this should be relatively easy to install. We got the coil packs right here. Then we've got all the injectors right here, which is pretty cool. These are 630cc injectors, which is pretty sick. So they're, you know, gonna be pretty powerful. There's some flow force. Of course, back here we've got the intercooler with a big old FM on it, which I love that it has the FM on it. I'm down to rep that kit. Of course, our very sexy 2860R turbo, our manifold, and then good luck with, I don't even know what this is. I'm assuming it goes off the back of the turbo because this pattern is the exact same on the back of that, but I don't know what it's called. We've got our boost gauge, and I need a AFR gauge still, but that's our boost gauge. Timing belt kit, gaskets for the actual block itself, I'm pretty sure. And of course our seat, which is obviously not part of the kit, but you get it. But there's a lot of stuff going on here, and I know almost nothing. I'm pretty confident I can get it done in like 3 or 4 days, but like, dude, knowing me, installs, they go almost the worst possible case scenario every time. It could be like 6 weeks. I don't know. I think I'm going to a meet tomorrow and the car is just disgusting, dude. Like, but I can't bring myself to wash it in the rain. Bye, boy. I'll see you soon, buddy. So that's gonna be it for today. Let me know what you guys think about the new turbo for the build, and if you guys are excited for it or not. I wanna know. Give me some suggestions on installs if anybody has any. Oh my gosh, I am more than open to hearing it, as you know. So let me know what you guys think down below, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Psych, you thought I was ending it right there, dude? Are you kidding me?
Oh, taken. Then we got Mr. Trash. Look at him, literally laying on trash. Mr. Trash Dog. Oh, hello. Did you miss me? Oh, give me that little mouth. Look at, does it get any cuter than this? He's so emotional, dude. Yeah, and you know, in the background we got Throttle House going. If I could do reviews like these guys, that'd be legit. All right, now I'm ending it. Bye.